name is Chinwin, So Chinwin, and I'm so glad to be here today for a very simple reason. Some things that I could really see the immediate transformation. Now, the first thing is that how do I get to know about this? Is that actually through a friend of mine who happens to share the same office. Her name is Jinwei. I'm so grateful to you, Jinwei. You're listening to me right now. So grateful to you. It is through your WhatsApp that just three days ago, and I quickly signed up. And let me tell you, this is a Saturday. It's so fruitful for me. Now, even though it's a short time from from morning 10 until right now, I've actually learned a lot. I really learned a lot. Now, a couple of things. Number one is that I learned about, for example, our body size, the proportion of our body size, which I have absolutely no idea about, and what kind of shirt which is suitable for me. And I could immediately see the transformation after I wear the shirt that's been recommended by Elizabeth. Another thing which I've learned is actually the color analysis. Like, for example, am I a warm person? Am I a cold person? I have really no idea. But through that analysis, I know what color suits me. So the next time when I go shopping, I know what are the colors to choose for my wardrobe. And another thing which I've learned is, of course, I've learned the right posing. Like, for example, the do's and don'ts. An example that when you take a photograph, what are things that you should do, what are things you should not do, and how the way you walk, the handshake. Oh my God, I can continue talking, and there's just so much. What I can tell you that this is really a worthwhile program for you to attend. Now, I would strongly recommend to all of you guys out there. I know it's a bit difficult about personal branding, but I felt it's very important. One thing that I can let you know is that we got to know who we are, because every action that we go outside there is a message, and that message to me is very important. So all you guys out there, your friends or whatever, please become this one day simple bookshop. I can tell you it's money worth it. Thank you.